I hear a sound of a mighty rushing wind, and it's closer now than it's ever been. I can almost hear the trumpet as Gabriel sounds the call. And at the midnight cry, yeah, we'll be going home. How does the next verse go? I look around me. I see prophecies fulfilling. There's signs of the time. They're appearing everywhere. I can almost hear the Father as he says, son, go get your children. Yeah. And at the midnight cry, the dead of Christ shall rise. Oh, and Jesus steps out on a cloud to call his children. The dead in Christ will rise to meet him in the air. And then those that remain, they will be quickly changed. And at the midnight cry, I will be going home. It's a midnight cry when Jesus comes again. I'm just goofing off, but